Hey everyone, welcome back to From Zero to Affiliate here on 90 Days Journey. I'm Matt and today is day 66. I've got some great news to kick things off. A new sale just came through from our Write Up Reviews promotion. This is why consistency is so important because even after we wrapped up, those follow up emails are still converting leads. Today, we're also starting a brand new promotion, Paid Online Writing Jobs. I'll walk you through the process of setting up our first email for this offer. But before we get into that, I want to apologize for the late release today. I'll be getting ready for some travel. And just a heads up, there will be no video tomorrow as I'll be on the road, but don't forget to send your email tomorrow to stay consistent. I'll be back with a fresh video for the day 67 on Saturday. Let's first take a look at our stats from the Write Up Reviews promotion. Let's log into MLGS. Let's go to statistics. So as you can see, even though we wrapped up the active promotion, a sale still came through thanks to the follow-up emails. This is exactly why I always stress the importance of follow-up. It can keep converting leads even when you moved on to the next offer. Now, it's time to dive into Paid Online Writing Job, or our next ClickBank offer. This is another relatable offer where people can get paid for writing simple online content, making a great opportunity to promote. Let's go ahead and set up our first email. Okay, let's log into ClickBank. Let's go to Affiliate Marketplace. Go to e-business and e-marketing. Sort result by gravity, high to low. As I said, we'll be promoting the paid online writing job. So let's go to affiliate page. And let's grab our first email swipe. Okay, let's copy it to our document. Okay, and let's make all the necessary changes first. So introduction. Sign your email as always. Let's read through the email quickly just to see if there is any other places you need to make adjustments. If not, then move on to your hop link. So first change your ClickBank ID. And if you're promoting it on multiple sources, remember to add TID if you want to know where the lead came from. Okay, we have that ready. Now let's encode it in affiliate link tools on ClickBank. Perfect. We have our hop link. Now let's enter it in the email. So click here to complete your application if interested. That's the first spot. And the second one would be check out this page as per the email. So just highlight the sentence, right click, insert link. That's it. Perfect. So we have the email ready. Now let's go to MLGS and prepare our email to be sent. So go to mailing system, select all the leads, drop the subject. Now the email body. Highlight the links. Sorry, made a mess. One more time. So highlight the links. Perfect. Now select the perfect timing. Now, just before you send up your email, remember, in case if you have more than 9,000 leads and it only allows you to select 9,000 leads, you need to contact the support from MLGS and they're going to move you to the bigger server. So we'll be able to send much more emails. So at the moment, as you can see, I'm sending 15,200 emails per send. Okay, so everything is set up and just press the send email. As always, wait for the timer to show up. Super. Okay, now before we wrap up, just a quick reminder, there will be no video tomorrow because I'll be on the road. But even though I won't be here to guide you through it, make sure to send your email for paid online writing job tomorrow. Consistency is key, so stick with the schedule and stay on top of it. I'll be back with the next video on Saturday for the day 67. If you're not already part of the community, make sure to join our Affiliate Success Hub Facebook group. It's where you can connect with others on this affiliate journey, share tips, and get support. The link is in the description, so make sure to join us today. That's it for the day 66. We wrapped up the Write Up Reviews promotion with another sale, and now we're kicking off the paid online writing job offer. Don't forget, no video tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, all the important links are in the description below. Let's keep pushing forward, and I'll see you on Saturday.